Before she leaves, Betsy's got to make a quick stop at one of her favorite stores. Betsy, look at the camera, will you? And what is the name of that store? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Everybody recognize the color? There's the name. All right, girls, let's do some shopping. Hey, Mary. Hey, Mary. What do you think? You like it here?
I think it's nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Dad, where do you want to go first? Let's wait till we get to the good side. Sue's got a chair that big. Yeah, those are cozy. Hi.
So far, so good. We're having a good day with Betsy. And then we head to the airport from here, and she's on the way. Oh, yeah.
How much food we have.
Huh?
Let's videotape how much food we're going to eat.
Videotape what?
Okay.
IKEA
I gotta go
lunch.
find the silverware, right? I'll get it.
Well, here we are, going through the checkout here. Keeping my fingers crossed.
It's on there.
And there comes the little woman up and around. Okay, we're getting... Okay, that's it from IKEA. I don't know whether I'll get anything at the airport or not, but... Well, a little bad weather here. So, and they're predicting tornadoes. So here we are in IKEA at the exit. And we'll wait and see what's going on.
I'm glad we're going in IKEA.
Yeah. Betsy, if you can get this as a tailwind, you'll be home in 20 minutes.
Or I can just stay in IKEA.
Yeah, that's true. Oh my God, it's so, feel that wind? This is something else. I hope the cover, well, all right. So anyway, well, here we are. We'll keep you posted. Family here, waiting for the weather to clear up. Betsy's checking her flights.
On time so far.
On time so far. Mary, how does the weather look there? You ready to go out and fight it? You know, I've decided it's got to be that there's an addiction to IKEA. In these torrential rains and tornadic winds, there are people pulling up and actually coming into the store rather than just sitting in the car or going home for another day.